Hey y'all, this is Aaron from Two Labs Garage. I was redoing the interior of my 1980 Dodge pickup, and unbeknownst to me, the passenger side window was frozen. You couldn't put it up or down. But I fixed it in less than 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you how. Hey y'all, my name's Aaron, and I'm a car addict. And these are my assistants, Caroline and Nellie. Together, we are Two Labs Garage. We're a car YouTube channel. We love old cars. We love old trucks. We go to events, shows, drives. We do repairs, maintenance, budget bills. Let you in on some of my tips and tricks I've learned over the years. And when we get the chance, we revive them. So come join us here at Two Labs Garage, where we're going to have fun putting old relics like this back on the road on a budget, and most importantly all, we're just going to have fun with old cars. So anyway, I'll also say that this method should work on pretty much any manual window, maybe even a power one. Of course there'll be some adjustments because it's power, but this whole process should work. Doesn't matter if you have a Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, GMC, International, Jeep, Honda, Jaguar, doesn't matter. Manual window cranks, this should work. I'll also tell you that this truck, when I got it, had been abandoned for probably 12 years. This window was busted out, so all the water got in here and rusted up the components. And I used just 2 types of lubricant and some patience, and I was able to get this to a fully functioning window. And here's how. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your door panel. Now, on a Dodge truck, the thing to do is it's got clips around here. Take your handle off, take your knob off, and there's a screw right here, takes it off. I'm not going to show that whole process because different vehicles are different. I do have a video how to do it with a Ford Thunderbird. As I do more vehicles, I'll put the stuff up there. But in general, they're not too hard. Just don't force them. Look for the hidden screws. They make little plastic pry bars to help you get it off without scratching your paint. It's really not as hard as it seems. But again, I can't speak to each individual manufacturer in one video. So after you get your door panel off, follow these steps. Now, just gonna stick my crank handle on here and do this. Yeah. What in tarnations? Yeah. Well, she froze up. I never knew that. Well, let's see. I'm gonna go get me a squirt thing with a straw and get up here and get these pivot points, see if I can't bust this window loose. May need the high test stuff in this, but let me see what this will do. Where does that come down to? Right about there. Work it and spray it, that's all I know to do. And also may have something to do with why that knob got broke off. So, I slowly worked it back and forth, kept adding spray and grease wherever I felt like I could. And as you can see, we got the window all the way down. This crosssets right here, you can see the rails are pretty rusty. I've sprayed them. And now, alright, these tracks in here, I put the Lucas Red and Tacky in there. Sprayed up in there to get the hinge points. And as you can see, all the teeth are lubed. And here's the thing, just don't force it. Let it just go down. No. Work it back and forth. Just, every time it'll get a little easier. Gonna take this glob of grease on the end that's not doing anything. Put some grease on this end. Keep in mind, I did all this from a stuck window to now fairly easily going up and down with just Lucas Red and Tacky grease and dollar store version of WD-40. I'm pretty actually shocked. But yeah, if you wonder if that stuff from the dollar store is any good, 10 minutes ago, this window was completely froze up. In fact, I might just break this off onto another video. Because this is pretty good content. I never knew was coming. Well, I hope that helps you with your window problems. Again, not very difficult, and I use very, very basic tools. I just used the stock window crank. I think I understand how this got broken. I need to get a new knob for it. Some Lucas Red and Tacky grease. Now, you could probably use whatever brand of grease you want, but I like the Lucas Red and Tacky the best of all the greases I've ever used. And where is it? Where'd it go? Well, for Pete's sake. And the spray lubricant that they sell at the dollar store. I got this just because I was in the dollar store. I was like, yeah, $1.25, I'll give it a try. I'm telling you, this stuff ain't bad. I'm not going to say it's the best lubricant on the market because I'm certain it's not. But it's worth $1.25. I'm going to get several more next time I go. But anyway, if you would, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Helps me out a lot. I'm always happy to bring y'all little pointers and all that may help you out with your projects or problems that you're having trouble with. So anyway, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Take care of your projects. God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.